Dear students, today we are going to talk about a homologous series of alkenes and its isomers. See, the general formula of alkenes is CnH2n, mean hydrogen number will be double of carbon atoms. Let's start with it. The first member of alkene is ethene, not methane, because methane has one carbon. So alkenes must have double covalent bond because these are unsaturated. We have studied in introductory topic what are saturated, what are unsaturated hydrocarbons. The, the second member is propene, third is butene, fourth one is pentene. So ethene, if you follow this formula, ethene has a molecular formula of C2H4, put 2 here and will double the carbon atom. Carbon atoms are 2, hydrogen will be 4. Carbon atoms are 3, hydrogen will be 6. Carbon atoms are 4, hydrogen will be 8. The number of hydrogen atoms in case of alkenes will be double of carbon atoms if they have only single double covalent bond, mean one double covalent bond. If they have more than one double covalent bond, they are polyunsaturated. I'm not talking about polyunsaturated hydrocarbons at this stage. Similarly, propene has C3H6. Its structure is this one. Butene has E4H8. Its structure you can see. We have to show at least one double covalent bond. Similarly, pentene has 5 carbons, 10 hydrogens, and its structure is like this. Double bond can be anywhere between first, second carbon, second or third or fourth, and fourth and five. Okay. Now I will tell you some rules how to name the basic structures of alkenes and their isomers. But keep in mind, uh, we will not go in detail because this is a basic level or introductory level. So only we will be talking about isomers of butene, pentene, hexene. Today I will only tell you isomers of butene. But keep in mind how to name them, how to number them, uh, how to draw them. For that, we need to know some rules. Let's start with the rules. So during naming and making isomers, we must keep in mind there are some rules. We have to select the longest possible continuous carbon chain. We have to select the longest possible carbon chain. Then we have to number the chain from the side in which double bond comes first. For example, you can see in this double bond is on this side. We will call this carbon as number 1. In this case, the carbon double bond is in the middle. So we can number from any side. If we say 1, 2, 3, 4. So after second carbon, from this side or this side, double bond is present. So we have to show the position of double bond. If the double bond is after first carbon, then you must keep in mind the number will be before the double bond. First carbon, then double bond. Number the carbon which is before the double bond, it will be carbon number 1. It will be 1 ene. ENE stands for alkenes. But 4 carbon atoms. But2ene. So but2ene is isomer of but1ene. We can also make another isomer by changing the structure, but not by changing the position of double bond, because if we will change the position of double bond, the name will fall either in but1-ene, either in but2-ene. Right. Numbering has to be done from that side in which double bond comes first. In this case, you can see this is a third isomer of butene. This is carbon number 1. This is carbon number 2. This is carbon number 3. This is carbon number 4. But in the chain, we have only 3 carbons. On the second carbon, we have branch. We will name the branch first. 2-methyl. Why it is 2? Because a methyl is attached to the second carbon. I have numbered from this side because double bond comes from this side first. Do you understand? So 2-methyl prop 1-ene. 1 is the position of double bond because the double bond comes after first carbon like this. You number from this side, this will be wrong, because the numbering has to be done from that side in which double bond comes first. So this is all for today. So we will continue making isomers and structures and their physical and chemical properties and applications of alcohol. Thank you very much. Take care of yourself.